I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs in the mid to upper 40s in central and eastern Nebraska this afternoon, in the 50s to low 60s elsewhere, mild air from the distant southwest continues to build east with a warm front and a ridge of high pressure. Widespread highs in the 60s are likely for tomorrow and Thursday, possibly getting near record warm highs on Thursday. A Pacific cold front drops our highs into the mid 40s to the low 50s on Friday. Rain and snow are possible Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon when low pressure starts to track across the southern plains. Higher chances currently favoring western Kansas. Any precipitation amounts expected to be light and mostly from I-80 on into Kansas. Highs bottom out in the low 40s on Saturday. As low pressure departs, our daytime highs warm into the mid to upper 40s for Sunday and Monday. Checking the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperature is expected to remain warmer than normal for Sunday through December 18th, especially late next week through the 18th. During the middle part of December, central Nebraska daytime highs are typically in the upper 30s with average overnight lows in the mid-teens. Nebraska and Kansas, Sunday through December 18th, predicted to see slightly below normal to near normal precipitation. Key weather factors the markets are watching include above normal temperatures with rain and snow chances for the U.S., scattered rain for Argentina and central Brazil, but too much rain in southern Brazil. Heavy precipitation persists in the Pacific Northwest. That's followed by several days of lingering rain and snow. Late in the week, somewhat cooler air trails the northwestern storminess, with cooler conditions covering the western U.S. and eventually reaching the nation's midsection. Otherwise, mild weather continues nearly nationwide the rest of the week, aside from a brief spell of unseasonably cold weather in the Midwest and the Northeast. Warm temperatures across the plains peak out tomorrow and Thursday, with temperatures expected to top 70 as far north as the Central Plains. Late in the week, a developing storm over the central and southern plains could lead to a significant rainfall event unfolding across the south and lower Midwest. Western areas of the southern plains could use more soil moisture. Towards the Midwest, the chance for increased precipitation would help with the remaining drought areas and increase water levels on the Mississippi River. In central Brazil, some locations continue to see lower rainfall. Scattered rain continues in central Brazil this week, but rainfall could become more isolated in coverage later in the week. Southern Brazil, it remains too wet, may get a break from the heavy rain late this week before more rain chances on Sunday. Drier weather is needed in southern Brazil to dry out the saturated soils for developing corn and soybeans. Argentina's conditions continue to be mostly favorable for planting and development of corn and soybeans. Widespread light rain is forecast today and tomorrow in Argentina, with more rain expected this weekend. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.